Hey guys, what is up? Genevieve here. As you can see, already on location, me and a friend, she's taking a picture, don't worry about her. We are out and about at Germantown Metro Park. Beautiful place. Gonna check some of the sights. Look at this little bridge. Let's go. Guys, look at this beautiful view. I'm not talking about Shayna. You guys are crazy. All right. Now look though, this is crazy. Oh man, it is so nice out here. So peaceful. Let's do this thing, guys. Guys, it is crazy beautiful out here. What? Look at that. Oh, man. If you get a chance to be outside, take it, okay? It's just, so peaceful. Hey guys, so out here in a little bird blind, probably scared the crap out of Shayna. It's fine, she's taking a picture. It got a little warm out, so I had to put the hair up because this mane is insane. But, no, yeah, it is just insanely beautiful out here. Just listen to it. Ah, so peaceful, so calming. Can't handle it. It's beautiful, guys. Look at these flowers. So beautiful out here. If I could spend every day outside on these trails, on any trail, I'd do it. Just listen, listen. Water. What? Sounds beautiful out here. It is so peaceful. I could do this every day and I would be perfectly happy. You know what I'm saying? Get out. Guys, it's crazy beautiful. I'm out on a tree and I'm kind of scared because I'm filming. Bye. Guys, remember, safety first, safety always. Be careful when whatever you're doing. With whatever you're doing. Be safe, be responsible. Don't be crazy, but have fun. Guys, I can't get enough. It is so beautiful out here. Guys, we're about to do something totally crazy. Walk through the water. What? Let's do this. out here. Still loving it. Still beautiful. Sunny day out, as you can see. Sun. Oh, man. Not a whole lot to this post. Not a whole lot of point, other than just get outside, nature. Just showing you guys around this beautiful park. It's huge. We're going to have to come back another day. Getting close to the end. But, yeah, just having fun. Being in nature. And I think you guys should get out and enjoy it too. It's a little warm out, a little sweaty, but it's worth it, way worth it. So, yeah, just get outside, love nature, love people. Let's do this thing. Beautiful. What? Look at that. It's crazy. Hey guys, so I am back home. Had a wonderful day. It was beautiful outside. I think just around 80, but the humidity was down. Lots of clouds, beautiful clouds, not just, yeah, it wasn't a bad day at all. It was white cotton candy puffy clouds, you know what I'm saying? And it was a blast. It was a lot of fun. Had my friend there from work, Shayna. She's fantastic. She likes taking pictures just like I do. So, yeah, we had a lot of fun. Went out in nature, took some pictures, and then just enjoyed outside. It was a beautiful day. It rained the past couple days, a little muddy, but the morning gave it some dryness, and yeah, it just turned out to be awesome. So, as I always say, safety first, safety always, but get out there and enjoy it. Alright? Safely, happily. Make sure we had a cooler full of water and sports drinks to help us. We had some granola bars, some cashews, just a few things to give us some energy and to get us along the way. And I'm actually about to eat some grub now. Got home. It's a little bit later in the day, afternoon. I might go out in a little bit, try to enjoy something else, but for now I'm just gonna hang out in the house, cool down a little bit. But yeah, guys, the outdoors are beautiful. I love nature. And the camera, no matter what kind of camera, phone, actual camera, it just never captures it. So I'm telling you right now, I can't show you. I can film all I want and bring you guys with me, but it will never be the same as getting out there. So if you go out anytime this weekend, you watch this video, I want you to share with me somehow. I think I'm going to start an Instagram, so I want you to come over there. I want you to share with me, and I'm going to put this on Facebook. So I want you guys to share with me what it is you do this weekend outside. Snap a little picture, and just enjoy the beauty. I'll see you guys. All right?